It's not about how to create your digital product. It's not about choosing the digital product to sell. It's not about what kind of digital product is trending at that moment. Have you asked yourself where you are going to be selling that particular digital product and make profit? Like you and I know that selling on Etsy, selling on other platforms that support PayPal is not actually going to work for us, more especially for you and I that are here in Nigeria. Hi, I'm Vivi and welcome back to End with Vivi. In this channel, we share tips on how to make money online and of course how to grow your YouTube page. Most especially we share tips on digital products. So if you did love anything about digital products or going from 0 to 100 or 1000 or any kind of amount in USD, please make sure you hit the subscription button and don't forget to like this video. And I know that digital products are products you can actually basically sell online. Okay, you sell these products online and start making profit. Starting digital product for free is basically a profitable one, and I think you as a beginner you should actually start it for free because there are not a lot of things that you're going to be doing with this particular products in order for you to like pay for it or not. Yes, others pay for it, you can also pay for it and start it up, but as you're watching this YouTube channel you don't need to pay for any kind of thing in order for you to learn how to create or how to sell your digital product online. So that is why you should be starting it for free. Okay, and you are going to be making a whole lot of profit from digital products. About how to sell digital products, first you need to get your digital product to sell. Okay, you need to find out what particular digital product is selling at that particular moment. Like I always say, make sure you know what is trending in your niche, or make sure you know what is trending at that particular time in any particular digital product you are creating, in order for you to know what to sell and how to sell it. Okay, so you create this digital product, like you can make use of Canva to create a digital product. I'm making mention of Canva because that is what I use in creating my own digital product, because I think that Canva is kind of helpful. It has its paid plan and it has its free plan, so you can start making use of the free plan. Just make everything free because I make use of every of the free things, though I've tried upgrading to Canva, but I think it's not supporting my card right now. So you can try as much as possible to try making use of Canva to like create a digital product you are going to sell. So you should be asking yourself, what digital products am I going to be selling? We have digital products like ebooks, templates, we have planners, we have a lot of it. Just to mention it, you can also sell courses. Okay, all you need to do is know what particular digital product that is selling and the one you think you can actually sell for yourself. And there is a digital product which is selling right now, and I don't think a lot of people have been talking about it, but it is actually generating money, which is AI prompt. You can actually go to AI prompt and you can try as much as possible to get some kind of AI prompt and start selling it online. So where are you going to basically sell this digital product? Because it's not all about creating these digital products. Where are you going to be selling the digital product? Where have you marked out to sell your digital product? What supports your own payment method? For example, there are platforms that doesn't support bank transfer or any kind of transfer. For example, I tried payhip the other app the other time. So I opened a kind of PayPal account from Nigeria here, and it was working fine. Then all of a sudden it stopped working. Okay, depending on the kind of, because of the way I opened it, so it stopped working. So my money itself in the paper has been seized. Okay, I cannot make use of paper, and I was making use of pay hips in order for me to sell my digital product. And right now my paper haven't, like I can't make use of that PayPal again. I've been restricted from the paper and they have given me like, is it 30 days for them to send out my money. So you see, you can't make use of pay hip for you to start selling your digital products as far that the country doesn't support paper. Okay, so you need to find a particular platform which is going to help you sell your digital product and you get your money in your bank account, whether it's USD, whether it's any kind of platform, whether it's any kind of whether it's euro or any kind of currency, you get it paid and that particular app transfers that money into your account. Mind you, I'm not doing any paid promotion. Okay, I'm just trying to tell you the particular app that I think is actually the best app for you and I that our country doesn't support paper, or paper doesn't support our country, any way you put it. Okay, so the best particular platform for you to start making use of is seller, like AC that drives its customers to its platform. Seller is not like that. Unlike creative market that drives traffic to its marketplace, seller is not like that. Well, seller is a platform where you are actually going to paste, create and paste your digital products. You paste and create your digital products and go and advertise it yourself. And here is what I'm trying to let you know how to do it, which initially I told you that I'm going to teach you step by step on how to do that, right? And this is the right place for you to actually do it, like you and I who receives through bank transfer. So listen, in order for you to like get traffic to your seller account, first of all, make sure you have created your seller account. It's free of charge. Create it, list your product, and I'll also tell you, don't just make one product, make it like 4 5. Just create a lot of products that you're going to be placing there in your seller account. Okay, so once you have done that, you have TikTok, right? You have YouTube, right? You have Facebook, right? You have other social media platforms. Now go to your Google and type what digital product is selling at that moment, what digital product is trending at that moment. Then once you found out these digital products that are selling in this particular moment, what is high in demand. If you are going for ebook, type what ebooks, titles in ebooks that are selling online, most especially the kids parts. Okay, the kids parts, like a lot of people want to like get that digital product online and come out and like they print it out and make it in form of their own and sell it to kids outside the school and all that. All these school stuffs, all these school books, you can actually create them and sell them in seller. Okay, so what you need to do is find out. You can go to like Amazon KDP. You can go to Amazon KDP and also find trending books that are actually high in demand. So you can also, after you have found these particular books that are high in demand, you can now go to your platforms like Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, or any particular platform you're making use of. In fact, all these platforms that I have mentioned, then you create a post about them. Okay, when you create a post about them, you tag them, you tag some kind of things, you tag people on that, you tag apps, like you tag, just tag, you tag the title of that book, you tag anything concerning, just tag anything concerning about that book. Okay, then you go to like Facebook groups. Facebook groups, you have a lot of people that are selling there. You have a lot of groups that talks about this particular thing, so search for that particular group. Then once you find that particular group, you are going to like paste and tell them that look at the link to your marketplace, or look at your place, buy this for like this. And once people see it, it's not just like our Nigerians that are there. Okay, there are a lot of people from other countries that are in this particular platform. You can actually go, they can tap on the link, and they are going to find that particular product and they are going to be buying it. So if you're going for TikTok, the same thing is applicable to TikTok. Just create a unique link, maybe a unique link to your Telegram channel. Okay, so talk about a particular product, and if anyone clicks on that particular link, let it take that person to your Telegram. Once you take that person to your Telegram, let the people mention. You can make a post in your Telegram and tell people that this particular book is available depending on the kind of ebook you are looking for. This particular template is available depending on the kind of template you are looking for. Click on this link and download it. Okay, so once they click on the link, they definitely going to your seller account, which they're going to make their payment and they are going to buy it. Okay, and that way you are going to be making profit and you're going to be making money. And another way you can start making money online with your digital product is by using YouTube. Yes, definitely a lot of people make use of YouTube. Like YouTube is what most of us selling digital products make use of. Now let me show you how to do that. Once you go to your YouTube, after creating your YouTube page, you created everything about your YouTube, and you talk about a particular stuff, like for example I'm talking about how to make money online and how to make money with digital product. I can create a particular step-by-step tutorial on how to like start a digital product, and I'm going to like redirect you to my description box, which of course I have a description box right now, which of course I have a link here which talks about 5 best digital products for you to start selling online, and it's free of charge. You can go there and download it. Okay, just once you get it downloaded, you can start with any kind. You can now browse about the best out of them that is actually selling right now. So it's fine, just go download it. It's free of charge. So you see, once you create digital products on this, and you talk about that particular digital product, or talk about a particular tutorial on digital products, a particular tutorial on teaching, a particular tutorial on case studies and all that, you can sell it under your comment section, or you can also sell it in your description box. That is how a lot of people drive traffic to their seller account, and that is how a lot of people make their money. If this video has been helpful so far, please don't forget to hit that subscription button, and don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if this video was actually helpful. See you in my other video.